Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear food lovers and baking enthusiasts tuning in. One small mistake in your ingredient measurements can completely change your banana bread. That's where the basic banana bread recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Banana bread is a classic homemade loaf made with ripe bananas, flour, butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and baking soda, creating a soft, moist, and naturally sweet treat. It's loved for its comforting flavor, simple preparation, and the delicious way it transforms overripe bananas into a homemade favorite. Simply enter the required number of loaves, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient with the correct measurements. You can personalize your loaf with optional add-ons like chopped walnuts, chocolate chips, or cinnamon for extra flavor, texture, and variety. Below the calculator, you'll find the updated ingredient list based on the number of loaves you selected. Right beside it, the complete preparation steps are available, making the recipe easy to follow from start to finish. The page also provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, total cooking time, baking method, difficulty level, diet type, and calories per slice. You'll also find useful cooking notes and an estimated nutrition summary showing the carbohydrates, protein, and fat per slice. Need the ingredients or recipe later? Simply use the Copy Ingredients option to save the ingredient list or choose Print for a neatly formatted recipe copy. Once your ingredients are ready, begin by preheating the oven and greasing a loaf pan to prepare it for baking. Mash the ripe bananas until smooth, then mix in the melted butter, followed by the sugar, beaten egg, and vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt, then gently fold the dry ingredients into the banana mixture without overmixing the batter. If you are using optional ingredients like walnuts, chocolate chips, or cinnamon, fold them into the batter before transferring everything into the prepared loaf pan. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, showing that the bread is fully baked. Allow the loaf to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool further, then slice and serve. Banana bread is delicious on its own and pairs wonderfully with butter, jam, honey, or a hot cup of tea or coffee. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or dessert, it's a classic homemade favorite that's easy to enjoy anytime. From one loaf to several, this calculator helps you prepare accurate ingredients, follow the recipe with confidence, and enjoy consistently delicious banana bread. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.